Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Essence and Kyle.
Baby.
You don't like my shirt.
Oh.
One time for the break.
Oh, go ahead, just go ahead.
You guys, I'm so excited. This is my birthday. Honestly, it wasn't feeling like my birthday yesterday. And then, I don't know, it just all came together perfectly. And now we're about to go out to eat. We're going to the Sugar Factory. I've never been to the Sugar Factory before, so I'm super excited to go. I looked up the menu. I seen it. So y'all know the Sugar Factory do have those drinks. We're gonna ride in my car. Yeah, the Sugar Factory has those drinks that have the smoke that comes out of them. Most people go to the one in Miami, but they have one here, so we're gonna go. And it's like 20 minutes from here. So. I got Deja in the business, JoJo in the business.
Girl, I'm ready to get this food.
Kyle in the front nut.
You in the passenger nut. No.
Yes. A big no.
You want
I like my new lashes.
Y'all want me to reserve us a table?
Yeah, go ahead. That'd be great.
I mean, is it that serious?
Shit.
I didn't even bring my shade.
270 70.
Let me use yours today.
82.
It's my birthday. I feel like because it's my birthday, I should literally get whatever I want. She got hers. These people are speaking real inappropriate, so we're gonna see you guys when we get to the restaurant.
I gotta go.
Bye, guys.
Slam Jim.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, you done bumped right into him, girl. Janice, I think I lost $1. Oh, headphone.
Shit was all good just a week ago.
Buzz down, Tatiana, buzz down. Oh, I want to see you buzz down. Bring it up and bring that shit back on the game.
I already had to be tortured to get here. Oh yeah, you really don't like a height. I know. I like you want that. Oh, right here at
We have made it to the Sugar Factory. My girlies with me and my man, my fiance. I'm so excited to eat. I'm starving.
Look at my
Good.
You gotta take the cup. Oh, I'm so sorry. What happened to you?
Girl, that's why they ain't answering the phone.
Excuse me?
That's why they ain't answering the phone.
If we don't see nothing else, then we can go back. Just put her name on the list just in case. Okay. That ain't salty that she puts your camera. Are you slide it up or flip it?
Oh, y'all got on it?
Yeah, we got on it.
Deja was tripping. I don't know why she didn't get on it. I'm not getting on it because I'm not finna fly away. I see these rides come down every day.
They do though.
You see them what come down every day? What come down?
Them things be coming down.
Like falling?
Yeah, you never seen that here?
Every day, everywhere.
Don't tell her that.
Baby, you want to get on it?
No, I'm not getting on that no more, Cal.
Every day.
Cal want to get on it. Buzz down, let's give him kisses. Best husband in the world.
Baby. Oh, I know.
Tatiana,
I
buzz
bet
down.
this wait for to be 5 hours.
I want to see. No, you lying. Not
I
at
bet,
your
I'm
house.
telling you. Why?
Baby, nobody want to eat there like that. Sugar Factory is for its name.
Last time we had to wait 45 minutes.
I want to try doing that too. Yeah, that's all summer. All summer kids, I can try doing that too.
Some baddies with
They gotta corroborate us if this shit don't work.
Yes, Joe.
The sun just hit different when you're out of town.
So excited. Oh yeah. You don't like those?
Hell no, they ratchet. Okay. You know my friends.
He looking like you recorded me.
Nah, that's why when he was looking.
Oh, this is perfect. They're boxers, so they box.
Oh, no. It's just because I love it. Like,
So cute. My neighbor used to have like 4 of them.
Yeah, you're right.
That's where we had went to.
Janice need a phone case and she don't.
She gonna get her phone case is actually
You came here with no phone case.
Yeah, it's cute. Oh, I thought she had something on.
She did. Maybe she did. Wait, so where was we doing?
I don't know.
I got. It's her birthday.
It's your birthday. Oh my God, my voice is I love you. Happy birthday.
Love you more.
Do I want the orange?
How much it cost? Because they might be ripping you out. No, didn't nobody 25 for
On
this?
Amazon? Yeah, you Amazon.
Yeah.
We're going to the I didn't look wild.
That's all right. It's all right. It's okay. Okay. Woo.
Next time.
Woo. What number you on, Joe?
3. Come on, 4.
5. 5. Okay, 5.
Oh, you got 4.
The little boy gonna get hit. 1 time for the birthday, 2 times for the birthday.
How did y'all get in here?
Little hamburger will have it'll be like a whipped feta, arugula, and then this will be one like relish bread.
Yeah, so let's get that. Medium well. Yeah, can I get an extra side of
We are at Yard House. We were gonna go to the sugar factory, but the line was so long. It was probably like a 2 or 3 hour wait. And we weren't gonna wait for that long. But technically, we probably have been here for like 2 hours now at this point. So, yeah. What y'all saw before this was like a little basketball thing they had outside. It was free to sign up, so that was super nice. And we just did that while we wait for our table. And now we have made it to our table. We're ready to eat and starving. I got the shrimp and lobster, like ravioli. Yeah, I got a lamb burger. Deja got the mac and cheese. And then Johnny's got salmon. So we're just ready. We just get our food. And they got drinks here, but I don't know. I kind of want to have the drink at the sugar factory. I'm like holding on to that, but we'll see. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Essence. Happy birthday to me. Cow, don't blow my candle.
How is it? Is it pretty good?
Even the barbecue sauce
They're known for their burgers. Hey y'all, about my girl, my fiance. She always be my little shawty. She a little bad, stallion. She's very funny. She's very smart. That's the best thing I love. She's very smart. She way smarter than me. Not to mention she fine. I already say that. And she beautiful. And she pretty. What else can describe that girl? I don't know. She's just so many things wrapped into one. The best thing about her is she's just the sweetest person and she's so giving.
Oh.
And I love her and I wish her happy birthday.
Okay, so first off, happy birthday, Bestie. I love you. You're literally like my everything. Tell you everything. We do everything together. We say the same thing. We like the same thing. Like, you're literally my other half. And yeah, I just hope you like enjoy your birthday weekend because you deserve it. Like, you're so giving, so understanding, so loving, and like, yeah, people like you, like, they deserve to be like reciprocated for like all that they do. So yeah, I appreciate you. I love you. Happy birthday.
I've known her since I was 16,
and we had the same exact car, drop top beetle bugs. We had our sunglasses on. She is my Jen to Evelyn, okay? And when everybody said they want to put our car on bricks, guess what? We was right there together. We didn't care about nobody. We don't care about nobody's feelings now. And that's just is what it is. And her personality is so freaking bubbly. I like her voice so much. You see how annoying her little voice is, like really squeaky? A kid just hit me. Her voice so squeaky and annoying. And it kind of sounds just like her mom, but it's so cute. And we're just like family, so yeah. She's so sweet and caring, and yeah. We just feel like family, okay? That's all I got to say, okay?